Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Sugar Mama TV. I am financial planner Canna Campbell, here to help you with all of your financial goals and dreams. Now, you guys have been seeing my Thermomix in the background of my video ever since I started my YouTube channel over almost 7 years ago. And I always get asked, are Thermomixes really worth it? Can having a Thermomix help me save money on my food? Well, today's video, I want to talk about and share with you how I use my Thermomix to help save me money. But I've got some really good news for you. Not only are Thermomix sponsoring this video, they're actually giving one lucky person a chance to win their very own Thermomix. So make sure you watch all the way to the end of this video. Now, when I think about my Thermomix and how much I use it and how much I value it, there are probably 5 areas that the Thermomix really help me maximize my savings. All right, so the first thing is Tiger's food. Now, originally I bought my Thermomix for Rocco so I could make his own food and I knew what was going into his body. I didn't realize actually how much money I would save. Because if you think about those food pouches, and they range between $1.50, sometimes even up to $3 or more each. I can make all of Tiger's food for a fraction of the cost, and I'm not wasting any plastic that comes with the landfill from these pouches. And on top of that, I know exactly what's going into her body. So I have to say, just for Tiger alone, I would be saving around $15 up to $30 per week just by making her food in the Thermomix, which I have to point out is not only quick and easy and mess-free, it's incredibly efficient. The second area where I use my Thermomix to save money is snacks. I'm a massive snacker. I love to buy muffins, I love to buy cookies, chocolate bars, muesli bars, you name it, I love to snack. But when I am organized and I make all of my snacks, which is always in my Thermomix, I make a good quantity of them. I can pop them in the freezer and pull them out for when I need them. And I make a wide range of snacks, which also include using up all the bits. One of my favorite things to make in my Thermomix are mini banana bread loaves. And as I said, I pop them in the freezer, pull them out for when I need them, and they actually feed not only me, but my kids for their lunch boxes, and obviously for Tom as well if he wants during the week when he's at work. So in fact, we're all saving money. But when I think about just my own situation, and I could very, very easily spend $5 a day between Monday to Friday, instantly, there is $25 a week in savings right there for me. And as I said, that's not even including the kids or Tom. The third area, which is where I will have to say Tom actually probably uses the Thermomix more than me, but there are huge savings to be had, and that is smoothies. We would normally get a smoothie on the weekend, both Tom and I, which we'd share and break down with the kids. Sometimes we each get one on a Saturday and again on a Sunday. Sometimes it's just a Saturday or a Sunday. But if you've gone into a cafe and you see what cafes now charge for smoothies, they range between $10 to $15. So if I average them out at say $12.50, I'm saving at least $25, if not $50 a week just by using my Thermomix to make all our smoothies. And again, I stretch the produce so much further. When it comes to making smoothies in our household, Tiger gets a baby bottle, Apple gets a cup, Rocco gets a cup, and Tom and I both get big cups. So we are using up all the fruit and vegetables in our house so nothing gets wasted and making really fresh, healthy smoothies, getting all the nutrients and minerals into our body. And of course, saving money. The fourth area where I use my Thermomix, and this has got to be a really therapeutic way, and that is making meals, but not just any type of meals, making wholesome, hearty meals that I can make and cook in bulk and batch cook, and then pop in the freezer in individual containers for nights where I'm tired and run down and really tempted to get home delivery or take away. So this includes Thermomix's famous meatballs, their spaghetti bolognese, maybe even a curry, and of course their pizza dough, which you can make for literally a couple of dollars, if not less. This is fantastic, and quite often what I will do, particularly at the moment as Frugal February is on, I will spend a Sunday afternoon, just a couple of hours, and I will make up a couple of meals which I'll then break down into smaller plastic containers and pop in the fridge or freezer so I can use at a later time. But again, if you think about how much we spend at, say, our local fish and chip shop, how much we would spend at maybe our local chicken shop, or just getting, say, pizza home delivery, it's at least $80 per fortnight. So incredible savings to be had, and how I use my Thermomix to really maximize my savings. The fifth area where the Thermomix helps save me a lot of money and really, I guess, is perfectly aligned with my love of minimalism, and that is when it comes to buying gadgets for my kitchen. You see, the Thermomix replaces up to 20 different gadgets, ranging from rice cookers to KitchenAids to blenders to juicers. So you will find in my kitchen drawers, I do not have a wide range of different kitchen gadgets because I simply do not need them. And therefore, I don't go and waste money buying all these gadgets. Everything that I need and use is within the one kitchen device, which is my Thermomix, which I love, value, use, and appreciate. So as you can see, when you add up all these individual savings just on the 4 out of 5 areas where I use my Thermomix to save money, the savings are in excess of $3,000 a year. So you can see why I can see a great return on investment when it comes to using my Thermomix to help me save money, but also help get the most out of our family food budget, never compromising good, wholesome family meals, and of course from a time efficiency perspective, because I'm a busy working mum. I've got 3 kids, 2 dogs, both Tom and I work for ourselves. We're really time poor. And I'll tell you what, using the Thermomix is fantastic because it's quick and easy to use. There's minimal mess, and it really works for our lifestyle, and that we can set it up and walk away and the meal is being prepared for us. In fact, it even pre-cleans itself. Now, for that burning question, how do I go in the drawer to win a Thermomix? Well, it's really easy. All you have to do is 3 things. Number 1, make sure you are following the Thermomix Australian Instagram account. Number 2, make sure you are following the Sugar Mama Instagram account. And number 3, please comment below sharing with us how the Thermomix is going to add efficiency in your life and save you money. And of course, what is the favorite meal you would like to make in your Thermomix when it arrives? So good luck with everyone. Please make sure you check the terms and conditions, which are linked below in my video description box. And of course, everyone, good luck with this competition. I hope you win it, and I would love to be able to share more Thermomix content with you. So let me know what you want to know about me and my Thermomix. All right, everyone, ciao for now.